the sensory inflow and edging, the direct route of pleasure versus the indirect route of pleasure. So the indirect route is when you do something to somebody and you get a response, and that response turns you on. And when that response turns you more on than you actually feel yourself in your skin and in your own body, you are stuck in the indirect route. And most of the time there's an agenda or a goal hidden in there. Versus the direct route is you just feel yourself, and that what comes back is secondary. But you will engage and relate with that anyway. But you stay in the sensory inflow, and that's why I do the hand meditation, the direct route. The hand meditation is when your hands will get it, the rest of your body will get it, because you have more nerve ending in your hands than anywhere else in your body except your mouth and your genitals. So when you actually practicing the inflow, the hand meditation, you train your attention span, you train your awareness, you train your feeling center, whereas, compassion, empathy, being with somebody, you train that part just 5 minutes a day. So, but when you actually have trained that pathway neurologically, your nervous system starts to get fine-tuned more and more and more and more and more and more over time. So just imagine do that, for a year, and your sensory inflow is just open. You can feel and sense everything, and not only physically as well, energetically. So the energetics become really, really important to engage with. So the sensory inflow, when that is working on your hands, and because you have more nerve ending in your genitals than in your hands, because when you feel it with your hands, you feel your genitals with your hands, but when your genitals getting activated, you can't feel your hands anymore. You feel your genitals because there are more nerve endings. But when this becomes clear to you in lovemaking, and your genitals are connected, and your attention, your awareness is in your genitals, and you just feel the micro movements, you feel the sensation, the sparks, the electricity, the silky, golden light sliding deliciousness on your genitals, and you bring your awareness, your attention there, what you feel, and you edge this little spark dynamics there, your partner will perceive you as so present, and they feel themselves, because if you feel yourself, their mirror neurons, their neurological feedback loop will pick up on you, and they will start feeling your presence. And then they say, oh my God, you're so present when you're with me. And you make eye contact at the same time. And of course, you enjoy the indirect route that comes back when you look into your partner's eyes, when you feel yourself on your genitals. But that's secondary. The main thing is you stay in connection through the direct route in your cock, in your genitals, while you're with your partner. You train yourself in the place of presence, awareness, here now. This is what's going on in my body. Can you feel that? Yes. So you are in connection. So that's the direct route and edging, and why training the direct route is so freaking important. You cannot bypass that. Because if your direct route is not activated, you outsource your experience in fantasies, you outsource your experience in any kind of agenda-driven action that what you do needs to have an impact and comes back to give you gratification, what is most of the time goal-oriented, and your partner's nervous system, instead of goes into this expansion and experience of an orgasmic state, they're shut down. So that's why the direct route is so important. The direct route is not only the hands and people getting bored, just like, why are we doing that? That's why we do it. This is the core essence, the direct route and edging. Without the direct route, edging is a superficial experience. It doesn't work, or not that good. Okay, that's for now. See you in the next one. Love yourself. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.